Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Thai Style Steamed Squid. So let's start cooking. And now we'll prepare our sauce for the squid. I have with me over here the juice of 1 lime. If you do not have lime, you can always use calamansi or lemon, no problem. Add in 1 chopped chili padi. If you like it spicier, you can always use 2, 3, it's really up to you. Of course, if you cannot take spiciness, you can omit this, no problem. 4 cloves of garlic chopped up. 1 small bunch of coriander chopped up. Half a teaspoon of sugar to balance up the taste. 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. Mix them up really well. We'll let this sit and let all the beautiful flavor be fused to this liquid over here for approximately 5 minutes or so. I'll see you back in a while. We'll now proceed to pour the sauce over our squid. I have with me over here 1 squid that is 380 grams, cut into manageable pieces. Just pour the beautiful sauce all over the squid. This is a very delicious and easy dish that you can easily cook at home anytime. When you're cleaning the squid, remember to remove the outer membrane. Now let's go and steam our squid. Using medium-high heat, make sure that the water is boiling like this. Proceed to put the squid in. Squid cooks pretty fast. This will take approximately 3 to 5 minutes. I'll show you how it looks like in a while. 3 minutes is up, let's have a look. The squid is done and it's time to have our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Tangy, a little bit of spiciness, very fresh squid, and the texture is tender yet a little bit of bite, which I love. This is really a very nice dish. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Wow, 好吃耶。